Hi everyone and welcome to Crazy IT. Today our topic is scanf function. So basically what is scanf functions? In C programming language, scanf functions is used to read a character, string, numeric data from the keyboard entered by the user. Basically means this we can enter any value through scanf functions. This is the basic syntax of scanf function. So the percentage C is taken for the character, percentage D is taken for the number, percentage S is taken for the string, percentage F is taken for the float value, percentage D is taken for integer value, percentage LF is taken for double value, percentage O is taken for octal, and percentage X for hexadecimal. Let's jump right into practical now. So let's clear the older program and we will start writing the new program. So so let the character ch, let it be a str. So the limit will be 30, maximum limit, and now we will take a integer number, int no is equal to now we will ask the user to enter the value in ch. So let's type enter value of ch or character. We will write scanf percentage c and assign it into ch. Ch is basically the character variable we have declared above. So let's printf enter string. We are asking basically user to enter the string. Enter the string up to 30, and then we will end it with a semicolon, and we will scanf so percentage s and assignment operator into str, full stop. No full stop, it's actually semicolon. So we are asking the value of integer from the user. Type on enter the value of integer. No is the variable for the integer. We can write scanf bracket open semicolons open percentage d and assign it into no. No is our number variable. So let's print all of these values now. Printf value of, basically slash n is used to change the line, and let's type character value is percentage c, string is percentage s, and the value of number is percentage d. So ch, str and no, and we will end it with a semicolon. Without wasting time, let's compile. So to compile, press Ctrl plus F9. Let's check error. I have written it mistakenly. It's printf. Now we will start. Enter the value of character j. It's my first character. My name JUGAL as a string. So basically it is taking the garbage value. Let's try something new, and I will change it with n and compile it again. I will change it to n, enter value of character j, enter string jugal, and enter the value 223. So it is taking garbage value again. Let's try another method. So I will assign n to 0. It is called initialization. Enter the value of character j, string my name, and value 21. So it's taking again the garbage value, and I will tell you the solution about this in the next.